In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Pepperstone to MetaTrader 5. So first, you want to go to pepperstone.com and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have it yet. In here, on your main page, you're going to see your trading accounts over here, and what you have to do is you first have to select if you'd like to connect a live or a demo account. So for this instance, we're going to do it with a demo account, but of course you can do it with a live one. It's the exact same process. Now over here, you first have to go to add trading account because we first have to make this MT5 account. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new demo one so I can show you how to actually do it. Click on add trading account. There we go. It's going to basically relog in you and then put you into this website. There we go, where you have to switch on to demo up top. After you do this, you'll be able to click on add a trading account over here. And then you want to select a platform, and what you have to do over here is select MetaTrader 5. Now, as you can see over here, I already have created a MetaTrader 5 one, so it's this one over here, so I cannot do it again over here. But after you do this, you'll basically be able to have it like I do with the MetaTrader 5 account. Now, for this instance, I'm just going to show you how to do it. I'm going to open one with MetaTrader 4, but you should click MetaTrader 5 over here. Click on standard. You can give it a nickname. You can set your demo and then your currency, and then click on submit. Now, after this, you'll see your new account over here. You will see your login, your server, and then it says they've basically sent the confirmation to your email. What you should do is you should actually open up your email, and then inside your email, you will see all the information that you actually need. So let me show you what to do with that info right now. So you'll see it's gonna just say, I'm not gonna show you what it says in my email because there's my password to my demo account in there, but still. So basically, it's gonna say to get started, you have to install MT5. So basically what you have to do is just open up your MT5, MetaTrader 5 on your computer, click top left where it says file, click on open an account, and then in here, you wanna look for, you know what's gonna look for, Pepperstone, okay? So let's just do this. Pepperstone, and then click find your company, and then there we go, you have Pepperstone Limited and then Pepperstone Group Limited. So as you can see over here inside your email, you'll be able to see which one you have. So inside my email, what it says is my MT5 URL is Pepperstone UK, so I'm gonna select this one. But if it says Pepperstone MT5, basically you just have to put select this one. Okay, so there's only two, there's not much to basically screw up. Now click on here, click on next, go to connect with an existing trade account, and as login, put in your login, which is going to be your account number. Basically that's what it's going to say in here. So just in a second, let me copy this. There we go. So it says unacceptable character. I have no clue why, because I'm just copying numbers. Let's try it again. There we go. Now, after that, you will also see your password. Copy and paste in your password like this, and then you'll see your MT5 URL is going to be the server. For me, it says Pepperstone UK demo because this is the demo version of my account. Click on finish, and then first it's going to do boink, and then again, and after some checking, it will basically sign you in. Now, of course, if it doesn't, make sure you actually double check everything was inputting correctly. And then if it was, of course, this will log you into it and you'll be able to start using this Pepperstone together with MT5. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.